Hi guys, me Jackson, and in this video I just found a new SVG converter because the old one that you've seen in my other videos has been giving me error. So you might need this so you can turn your PNGs or your JPEGs into SVGs, and then you can turn those SVGs into STLs, and STLs you can bring in the slicers and print them to show off to your friends. And it's called SVG Creator. I'm gonna put the link to it in the description. So first, you're going to scroll down and click drop your image here. Click that. And then we're just going to do this one. So you're going to click it and then open. Then you can preview it or just the sentence if you want to. This one looks good, so I don't need to. Then you're going to click download SVG. And then we're just going to go into Tinkercad. And then here you're going to click import. Choose file. And this should be the very top one, which is this one. And so it's too big, so we're going to click bar. And now it's still too big, so we're going to make the scale instead of 100%, we're just going to make it 50%. And then you're going to click import. And then now, once you think it looks pretty good, you're going to click export, STL. And then you're going to open your slicer. I use Bambu Studio, but you may use Kiora or a Prusa slicer or whatever you use. You're going to open that up. And then once Bambu Studio opens, you're going to click create your project. And click this button right here. Then you can add an object. And then it should be the top one right here. Trying to see it's too big. So you're going to select the object and then click this scale. And then make sure uniform scale is on. Then you're going to shrink it until it fits. And once you're happy with it, make sure your printer and your nozzle are the same match. And then you're going to click /play. And then once you're happy with it, you're going to click print play. And then click please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Jackson out.
Everybody listen up, give us your attention. It's Jackson and